Hi, welcome. My name's Daniel Jones. My friends call me DJ, and I'm an applied computing major at University of Washington. And we are going to start an awesome adventure through object-oriented programming using Python. Now, you might not know what object-oriented programming is, but you might have seen the movie Wreck-It Ralph, where King Candy walks into this code vault and he's interacting with all these pieces. Well, guess what? Those are objects, and that was the code that a programmer made to make the game work. We're going to be using Python, a highly interpretive language. It is easy to read. That is why it's called highly interpretive. It's kind of like you're almost reading a sentence and you're writing that down and it makes the code work. But there are special rules that we call syntax that we will be learning in these activities. So check it out. We're going to be getting to know also a wonderful environment called Codesters. Codesters is what's called an integrated development environment. Basically an environment that provides tools for us to make games and interactive scenes. Below, we're going to be starting our first activity, which will be getting you a Codesters account. So check it out, and we're going to get started.